So nowadays people have started using phones, laptops to trade. But according to you, what is the actual correct way to do proper analysis and do trading?
Yeah, so what suddenly happened in the world, especially in the developing countries and emerging markets where internet was not as cost
Um,
efficient as it is today, and the smartphones or any such devices where internet could be used were not so affordable, they started using these devices. They got access to internet, and then they got introduced to the concept of trading. And that's why a huge population nowadays is trading on the phones, smartphones. But smartphones are not actually, sufficient for market analysis. Smartphones are not even sufficient for analysis of trades of other people. For example, let's say you are analyzing portfolio of 25 lobsters which are traded by traders of our trading department, or you are analyzing any kind of portfolio, let's say mutual fund, hedge fund, or any trading account or any trading portfolio. Smartphone is not sufficient even for that kind of trade analysis or portfolio analysis, let alone analyzing the market. Market analysis is much more complex. It will require you to access all the features of a trading platform, especially when it comes to automating your trading plans, especially when it comes to using all kind of tools and indicators which can be installed on a device and cannot be installed on a device like smartphone. So if we talk about MetaTrader, this platform actually was made for Windows operating system. So it was supposed to be traded on Windows computer, whether it is desktop or laptop or maybe Windows server. Later on, the concept of virtual private server became popular as automation became popular. Otherwise, if you simply use smartphone or even tablet or iPad, you will not be able to use the full feature of this platform. Even on MacBook, this platform cannot be used with full features. Nowadays, custom installation files are coming which are allowing you to just use that particular file and install it on a Mac. However, what it does is to create a custom version which is compatible with the Mac. Earlier, we used to make a Windows environment first in the MacBook and then install this platform called MetaTrader. So basically what I'm trying to say that if you want to analyze something, even if it is about analyzing portfolio or account of any other person or company, you must have a PC. Then you will be able to analyze. The problem is the people who are so naive or gullible, who are getting into touch of educators and so-called agents who are giving them advice. They encourage them to, oh, no problem, just use the smartphone and you can open an account and you can trade on the smartphone. They are not giving actual advice. This is the main problem. And the people who can give actual advice are, again, I would like to reiterate that they are sitting in the companies like hedge fund and PMS, which starts with $50,000 or more, which is why they are not in touch with the people who are giving good advice. They are not giving any advice, good advice about neither about the capital requirement, nor about any risk reward, nor about the devices. So PC is the actual device. And when we are our people, our RMs or our consultants are getting in touch with people, we try our best to give all the information, show them everything. Most questions are coming related to win percent. What is the accuracy? What is the profit factor? How long do you hold the trades? So all of these things cannot be understood just by verbal communication unless a demonstration is done. When a demonstration is done, then a person can see everything directly in the portfolio, that okay, this is how many trades were done on daily, weekly or monthly or quarterly or yearly basis. This was the uh, accuracy, this was the risk to reward, and every statistics is available. But then how we can demonstrate? You are sitting there and saying, no, 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 I just want to do this on smartphone. Means you are indirectly saying, just befool me, treat me like a stupid guy. And those agents and those brokers who are opening accounts and telling you that you can do everything on the smartphone are actually treating you like a dumb guy. They are befooling you. They are not giving you correct advice. The thing is, if we have to show you something, how can we do? We have to do screen sharing, right? And if we have to do screen sharing and we have to show you all the things by graphs and statistics, then definitely a PC will be needed. Meeting or screen sharing is feasible even on the smartphones or tablets, but it is not feasible to show all those features and all those things. Number two is the automation. When you come to such a market where there are more than 50, 60, 70 tradable instruments, you definitely would like to automate your one plan so that then you can have sufficient remaining time to look at other things, analyze other things in the market, and think of any other plan. Otherwise, what will happen? You make a plan to trade, let's say, non-farm payroll. You know that, okay, this is, if the actual NFP will come at this level, I will buy. If it will come at that level, I will sell. And now you are so concerned about it, you are looking at the chart all the time. You are looking at your news source, whatever it is calendar or maybe a directly such kind of news source, whatever kind of news, audio news source or text news source, no, whatever is your data source, but you are so concerned, you are so stressed, you are just looking into that. And with such kind of distraction, you're not able to focus on any other thing unless you trade that particular trading plan. Once that trading plan will be traded and the whatever was the objective of the trading plan will be accomplished, then you will be mentally free to think of any other trading plan or any other tradable instrument, or look at any other news or data which is not related to that plan. What our traders do simply is to make a plan, automate it, and then they start thinking of other plan, other instrument. This is only feasible when you have PC. There you can use the best feature of MetaTrader, that you can automate anything. And nowadays with the help of AI, you can automate. That's it. So that's why a PC is basically needed if you want all full features and take it to a business level rather than playing it like a game. That's all in short. Thanks for watching.